Let's make a steak taco.
To get started, we're going to take some olive oil, put that in a large bowl with some crushed garlic, some jalapeno, some fresh lime juice. We're going to season that with some fresh cracked black pepper, some cumin, paprika, and chili powder. Add some salt as well, and then we're going to take a handful of cilantro. We're also going to add a splash of Allegro original marinade. From there, we're going to take our skirt steak, place it in a bag, and marinate this for 5 to 10 hours. We're going to be cooking this over a live charcoal fire. We like to cook ours to medium rare. You cook this however you want it. But once it hits the desired temperature you want, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and we like to finish it with a little bit of lime juice. Be sure and slice this thinly against the grain. We're going to add some red onion, some cilantro, some cheese, but you add anything you want to. These tacos are amazing. I highly recommend them. The full recipe will be on our website at crowfood.com.